One problem that people sometimes have when they're seeking to learn Spanish is they stay on a beginner program for too long. They can understand some of the theory of Spanish, but they are afraid of using it in real life. For example, they might be afraid of reading a Philippians 4 verse 8 native level Spanish book, or watching a native level Spanish video, or listening to native level Spanish audio. My friend and I wanted to be the bridge to help beginners who know hardly any Spanish to be able to get the confidence, the mindset, and the skill set to start comprehending Spanish from day one with our Spanish comprehension course at comprehendspanish.com. We wanted to use things that are familiar with people to help people understand an unfamiliar language. We do that through using expressions of the voice, expressions of the face, gestures, pictures, repetition, the context of a true story, questions, and also Spanish subtitles to help people understand Spanish in Spanish with a very immersive approach that is easy enough for a child to understand, but still complex enough for adults. And I can just talk about that, I can tell you about the theory, but I want you to watch a short video from our course to help you understand what I'm talking about. So we'll watch that video right now.
Los lagartos verdes corren despacio, pero los lagartos marrones corren rápido. Los lagartos verdes corren despacio, pero los lagartos marrones corren rápido, rápido. Los lagartos verdes corren despacio, corren despacio, pero los lagartos marrones corren rápido, rápido, rápido. Los lagartos verdes corren despacio, pero los lagartos marrones corren rápido, rápido. Pregunta: ¿los lagartos verdes corren rápido? ¿Sí o no? ¿Los lagartos verdes corren rápido? ¿Sí o no?
The powerful thing about this video is not just that you can understand some of the context of what is being said. The powerful thing is that if you can understand a sentence, then you can understand another sentence. If you can understand another sentence, you can understand multiple sentences. As you take our course, you get more and more of a confidence, not just from theory, but from your own experience, showing you that it is really possible to get the confidence, the mindset, and the skill set to start comprehending Spanish from day one. And you get that transformation that helps you to be able to read Spanish books outside of our course. It helps you to be able to watch Spanish videos outside of our course. And the possibilities for comprehending Spanish are limitless. We want you to get the transformation that we offer at comprehendspanish.com. We want you to get the confidence, the mindset, and the skill set to start comprehending Spanish from day one.